Now, how do you keep the audio messages from deleting on iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed and part of the Foxtecc community so you don't miss anything important in the future. Well, on your iPhone, you can go to the main settings app like that. And at the bottom, we have the apps section. And so dedicated apps are right here. So you can look up the messages manually and go to that section. And then now we have two places that we need to tweak the settings of. Right, so at first we go to the audio messages section where we have the expiration setting. By default, it's likely after 2 minutes, and you can see in here that when you send or listen to an audio message, it will automatically be removed from the conversation history after 2 minutes. But you can set it to never, in which case it will not ever disappear from the chat. However, that's not the whole picture, because in the same settings for messages, you can also see the message history. And in there, we have the keep messages menu, which lets you decide how long, like all of your texts, no matter if they are like audio or text or whatever, are going to be kept on the device. So 3 options: 30 days, 1 year, and forever. So if you set it, for example, to 30 days, you might just keep the audio messages and all of them, but like after 30 days, all of them are just going to be like gone, right? So you can decide to keep it forever, even though it will take up more storage on your phone or iCloud, but I guess it's worth keeping if you want to. So that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to find it on your iPhone and set it and tweak it to your preferences. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.